What's up, AI Nation? Today, we're talking about a game changer in the world of AI, LangChain. Think of it as the ultimate toolbox for building amazing applications powered by large language models, those incredible AI brains that power things like ChatGPT. Forget about wrestling with complex code all day. LangChain makes building LLM apps easier and faster. Imagine effortlessly connecting your LLM to databases, external tools, and even other LLMs to create truly powerful, intelligent systems. That's the LangChain magic. We'll cover its versatility and robustness, and we'll look at applications from simple scripts to complex agent-based chatbots and everything in between. We'll be showing tons of exciting use cases, so stick around because LangChain's potential is almost limitless. Visual, dynamic animation showcasing LangChain's modular architecture connecting various APIs and data sources. But LangChain isn't just a framework. It's an entire ecosystem. Let's explore some vital components. First up, LangSmith. Ever find yourself pulling your hair out trying to debug your AI creations? LangSmith has got your back. It acts as a performance monitoring dashboard, offering insight into your LLM's behavior and helping you identify and fix those pesky errors quickly. It helps you build and track your tests, giving you reliable metrics to measure the progress of your project. Think of LangSmith as your AI quality control manager. Visual, screenshots of LangSmith's dashboard, showcasing performance metrics and tracing capabilities. Then we have LangServe, the deployment platform. Once your app is ready, LangServe makes getting it live a breeze, transforming your LLM into a powerful REST API that can integrate into any system you can imagine. This is the step that bridges your hard work in the lab into reality. Visual, a sleek animation depicting the deployment process from LangChain to LangServe and then to a live application. The combination of these two tools, LangChain for building, LangSmith for testing, and LangServe for deployment, gives you the most complete and robust structure for your AI project, from idea to completion. Now, LangChain isn't the only player in this field. Let's compare it to some heavy hitters. We've got Azure AI Studio from Microsoft, a comprehensive platform that offers a wide range of models and tools. Google Vertex AI, a similarly powerful platform focused on model tuning and optimization, and Amazon Bedrock, with its own impressive collection of foundation models. Each offers unique strengths. Microsoft is great for integration with the existing Azure ecosystem. Google is fantastic for fine-tuning existing models and has a great selection of its own models, and Amazon's strength is its great collection of models and integrations. Which one's the best? It really depends on your specific needs and preferences. But what sets LangChain apart is its flexibility and its open-source nature, which makes LangChain ideal for developers who want complete control and total transparency in building their AI applications. Visual, a comparison chart highlighting the key features and differences between LangChain, Azure AI Studio, Google Vertex AI, and Amazon Bedrock. Let's talk real-world impact. Companies are already using LangChain to revolutionize various sectors. One fantastic example is Captide, a financial analysis platform. They're using LangChain, LangGraph, and LangSmith to analyze massive amounts of financial data with unprecedented speed and accuracy. Imagine sifting through hundreds of regulatory filings in minutes, extracting key insights that would normally take weeks. That's the power of LangChain enabling a highly effective company. Visual, stock market graphics interspersed with Captide's platform interface showing data analysis and extraction. This shows the transformative power of AI and LangChain's flexibility to adapt to various needs. No more endless spreadsheets. Captide is automating this business with help from LangChain. Now for another exciting application, LangFuse. Building LLMs is challenging, and maintaining quality becomes even tougher. That's why LangFuse is fantastic for unit testing AI agents. Evaluating and improving an agent's ability to perform specific tasks is becoming increasingly important. Think of it as giving your AI agents a rigorous checkup, ensuring they're performing as expected, even amidst constant model updates. LangFuse helps you achieve precise, consistent evaluations by easily creating test cases and monitoring results, improving your agent's performance significantly and efficiently. Visual, screenshots of LangFuse interface showcasing test runs and evaluations. LangChain's commitment to open source is highlighted by OpenGPT, an open source alternative to OpenAI's GPT models. Why is this a big deal? Well, it democratizes access to cutting-edge language models, breaking down the barriers that have traditionally kept this technology in the hands of a few and reducing dependency on major players. It allows for greater customization and opens the door to a more collaborative and innovative AI ecosystem. What about sustainability? OpenGPT is built to last. Unlike many proprietary models, which may become expensive or outdated. It allows for a wider range of access, which allows for a greater range of improvements and innovation. Visual, a collage showing OpenGPT's GitHub repository, its community forums, and various use cases. The fact that this powerful creation was made in the open source community highlights the growing power of the wider open source community and of the potential of collaboration. One of LangChain's greatest strengths lies in its ability to simplify prompt engineering, the art of crafting the perfect instructions for your LLM. It doesn't just give you tools. It gives you the framework to understand and master prompt engineering. It's a process, not a one-off, and LangChain makes it much easier to iterate and fine-tune your prompts consistently for improved AI output. By optimizing these prompts, you can lead to more accurate, relevant, and creative results. We'll cover different prompt techniques, like chain of thought and few-shot learning, and show you how to leverage LangChain's built-in features for better control. Visual, examples of well-crafted prompts and their corresponding successful outputs compared to poorly crafted prompts and their disappointing outputs. Let's talk RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. This is huge for grounding your LLM in specific information, making it more accurate and reliable. Imagine building a chatbot for your company. RAG lets you connect your chatbot to your internal documentation, providing comprehensive and accurate answers to employee questions. LangChain makes integrating RAG incredibly easy, connecting your LLMs to databases and vector stores to pull relevant context into the response. Visual, an animated diagram illustrating the 3 steps of RAG: retrieval, augmentation, generation. This reduces hallucinations and delivers highly accurate, fact-based responses. We're moving beyond simple chatbots. LangChain empowers you to build sophisticated AI agents, autonomous systems capable of complex problem-solving. Imagine agents that can handle multiple tasks, interact with other applications, and learn from their experiences. They can manage your schedule, perform research online, and even help you manage your business. LangChain is the foundation for creating these powerful future-forward systems. Visual, a futuristic cityscape showcasing various AI agents interacting and collaborating in real-world scenarios. This is where technology goes beyond simple query and response systems. This is the future. We can't talk about advanced AI without addressing responsibility. The articles mention the importance of responsible AI, primarily focusing on content safety. Building ethical AI is paramount for positive impact. This requires mindful practices for addressing potential harms and biases, implementing safeguards against malicious use, and focusing on transparency and accountability in AI design. It is a process that must be integrated into all aspects of the design and construction of the AI. Visuals, images showcasing ethical AI principles, such as fairness, transparency, and accountability. LangChain allows for tools to be added to prevent these issues from arising. LangChain's future is bright. With continued development and community contributions, we'll see even more powerful tools and capabilities emerge. The team is constantly iterating and improving the platform, and the open-source nature of LangChain means it benefits from a community of developers and users around the world. This dynamic aspect of this AI ecosystem means that changes are often very quick and are driven by the demands of the community. Visual, a montage of images representing LangChain's community, open-source contributions, and future development roadmap. This is more than just a toolkit. It is a community for AI developers. The future is exciting, and we'll continue to be excited about it. So there you have it, folks. A deep dive into the amazing world of LangChain. We've seen its power, its flexibility, and its potential to reshape the future of LLM applications. What are your thoughts? What exciting applications can you imagine building with LangChain? Share your ideas in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all the latest AI advancements. Let's build the future of AI together. Visual, end screen with social media links and a call to action to subscribe and join the All About AI Tech community.